A robot just fired 40,000 humans in under 6 minutes. 5 specific AI tools are going to eliminate entire job categories by 2026, and if you're not preparing now, you'll be caught completely off guard. Look, I've been tracking AI developments for 3 years, and the acceleration is terrifying. We're not talking about some distant future anymore. Goldman Sachs just published data showing 300 million jobs will be impacted by AI within the next 2 years. That's roughly 1 in 5 workers globally. But here's what nobody's telling you: which specific tools are already deployed and hunting for your position right now. But here's where it gets really crazy. These aren't just prototypes anymore. Companies are already using these exact 5 tools to replace entire departments. So picture this: you walk into your office Monday morning and your manager calls an all-hands meeting. "We've made some efficiency improvements," they say. Translation: half your team just got replaced by software that costs $50 a month. The first tool making this nightmare reality is Harvey AI, and it's absolutely demolishing the legal industry. Harvey isn't just some chatbot. This thing passed the bar exam in 3 states. It's already working at Allen & Overy, one of the world's biggest law firms, handling contract reviews that used to take junior lawyers 40 hours. Harvey does it in 12 minutes. 12 minutes. But wait, it gets worse. PwC just announced they're rolling Harvey out to 4,000 lawyers across their network. Each Harvey license replaces roughly 2.3 junior attorney positions, according to their internal metrics. That's 9,200 legal jobs vanishing at just one firm. And if you think this only affects lawyers, you're dead wrong. Harvey's expanding into financial analysis, regulatory compliance, and contract negotiation. Any job that involves reading complex documents? Gone. Which brings us to the second tool that's about to gut the creative industry like a fish. Runway ML Gen 3 just launched, and creative directors everywhere should be updating their resumes. This AI generates Hollywood-quality video from simple text prompts. No cameras, no crew, no editors. Here's the kicker. Toyota just used Runway to create their entire Q4 marketing campaign. 0 human videographers. The campaign that would have cost $2.3 million with traditional production, they made it for $847 in AI credits. Netflix is already testing Runway for background scenes in their original series. Think about that. Every gaffer, every cinematographer, every video editor who works on establishing shots and B-roll footage, they're about to become as relevant as film projectionists. But there's something even more sinister happening in customer service right now. Intercom's resolution bot has achieved something that should terrify every call center worker on Earth. It's solving 93% of customer inquiries without human intervention. Not transferring them, solving them. Shopify just replaced 1,800 customer service reps with Resolution Bot across their merchant support network. The bot handles returns, billing disputes, technical issues, everything. Response time dropped from 24 hours to 3.7 seconds. The most brutal part? Customer satisfaction scores went up 31%. Customers prefer talking to the robot because it never gets frustrated, never takes bathroom breaks, and never forgets company policy. American Express is rolling this out next month. That's 40,000 customer service jobs at risk at just one company. And here's the detail nobody talks about. These bots are getting better by analyzing every single conversation. Every "please hold" is teaching them. Every frustrated customer is training them. Every problem they can't solve today becomes a problem they master tomorrow. AD break. Now, if you thought customer service was bad, wait until you see what's happening to financial advisors. Betterment's new AI wealth management system just outperformed 87% of human financial advisors over a 12-month period. It's not even close anymore. This AI analyzes 10,000 economic indicators in real time. It processes every earnings report, every Federal Reserve statement, every geopolitical event instantly. No human brain can compete with that processing power. Charles Schwab is piloting this system with 100,000 accounts right now. Early results show the AI generates 23% better returns than their human advisors, while charging 70% lower fees. Morgan Stanley just announced they're replacing their entire junior advisor program with AI. Think about what this means. Every financial planner, every investment advisor, every wealth manager earning under $200K annually, you're competing against a system that never sleeps, never makes emotional decisions, and costs clients $12 per month instead of $12,000 per year. But the scariest tool isn't replacing blue-collar or white-collar jobs. It's coming for the decision-makers themselves. Microsoft's Copilot for Leadership is the most terrifying development I've tracked this year. This AI can analyze company performance data, market trends, employee productivity metrics, and competitive intelligence to make strategic business decisions. Unilever just ran a 6-month pilot where Copilot made all pricing decisions for their North American market. Revenue increased 19% while operational costs dropped 31%. The AI identified market opportunities that their human executives completely missed. But here's where it gets absolutely insane. The AI recommended laying off 3,400 employees across 5 departments. Unilever followed the recommendation. Stock price jumped 12% in 2 weeks. The robots aren't just taking jobs, they're deciding whose jobs to take. IBM's CEO just announced they're pausing hiring for 7,800 positions that AI could potentially handle, not replacing current employees, just not hiring humans for those roles anymore. So, what does this mean for you right now? These tools aren't coming in 2026. They're here, they're deployed, they're learning your job while you sleep. The question isn't whether AI will replace your position. The question is, what are you doing today to become irreplaceable? Which of these 5 tools scares you the most? And what's your backup plan? Drop your thoughts below because I'm genuinely curious how people are preparing for this shift. And if this opened your eyes to what's really happening, hit that like button so I know to keep exposing these developments before they blindside everyone. Next week, I'm revealing the 3 jobs that AI will never be able to replace, and why the people in these positions are about to become the highest paid professionals on Earth. The first one will shock you because everyone thinks it's dying. The robots are learning faster than we're adapting. Don't get left behind.